G'day, I'm Chris Swain from Alvin Blanch Australia, and this is another one in the series of videos of service, maintenance and tips and tricks on your Alvin Blanch dryer. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Trace Chain Monitor Probe, which is a small probe located near the bearing on the outfeed of your dryer. This probe counts the teeth in the sprocket as it turns around, and the closeness of that probe to the tooth makes it work. It needs to be about 3 to 4 millimeters away from that tooth. And if it stops working for any reason, it might need to undo these two bolts, pull that silver bracket out, tighten it up again and push it back in, making sure you've still got that gap of 3 to 4 mils. That should get it going again. If the probe is faulty and needs replacing, it's a matter of just undoing that, taking the wires out of the junction box and replacing it. Making sure that that probe is at safe distance away, but close enough that it's counting the teeth. That then you should see it start counting on your screen again. Thanks.